nuclear disaster was an accident at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine. At the time, it was part of the Soviet Union. It is considered as the only accident in the history of commercial nuclear power to cause fatality from radiation.
It was a result of a flawed reactor. Due to the steam explosion, it releases at least 5% of radioactive material into the atmosphere. Nowadays, Chernobyl was declared a tourist attraction and it's open for the public.
It is important to consider that there are many other nuclear plants operating nowadays. They should all have their preventative measures of having sufficient instruction to all their workers as well as communication devices. Also, to close the reactors of this type and the new designs must have the controllers in the same room.
The Chernobyl disaster took place because there was a nuclear fission. A nuclear fission is the splitting of an atomic nucleus in approximately equal parts, as a result of the impact of a particle, usually with associated release of energy. In other words, there needs to be an attuning of neutrons in the atom. When the attuning takes place, the atom divides into two and 3 neutrons are added. Then the 3 neutrons go on and shoot more and more atoms. This fission, mathematically speaking, can be explained as the exponential growth law.
Well, basically exponential growth is the increase of the size of a number with a consistent growing rate. Exponential growth has 5 variables: percent change r, time t, the amount at the beginning of the period p2, and the amount at the end of the period p. Also, the Euler number is used the formula p equals p2 multiplying e exponential growth rt. So exponential decay is the opposite as exponential growth. Instead of increasing, it decreases in a constant rate. The exponential decay also has 5 variables: percentage, range, r, the difference is the amount of percentage change is negative, time, the amount of the beginning of the time, and the amount at the end of the period.